Good morning, Standard 2 children. Today I am going to teach you SST, new chapter, chapter 11, means of transport. So let's start from hard words. Number 1, transporting. Transporting, transporting. Number 2, vehicle. Vehicles, vehicles. Number 3, engines. engines, engines. Number 4, helicopters. helicopters, helicopters. Number 5, aeroplanes. aeroplanes, aeroplanes. Number 6, electricity. electricity, electricity. Number 7, invented. invented. Number 8, scooter. scooter, scooter. Number 9, rickshaw. rickshaw. Number 10, bullock cart. bullockt, bullock cart. Number 11, expensive. expensive, expensive. Number 12, that is diesel. diesel, diesel. So children, let's start the chapter. Thousands of years ago, ancient human beings had to walk to move from place to place. Later they rode and carried things of animals. Then the wheels were invented and moving from one place to another became much easier. Taking things from one place to another is called transporting. The vehicles used for transporting are known as means of transport. For example, scooter, auto rickshaws, bus, train, tram, car, van, truck, fire engine, etc. These are the some vehicles. Some vehicles are very slow, that are cycle, rickshaw, tanga, boat, etc. Trains carry thousands of people to far off places on water. We use boat and ships. Ships take us across seas to different places. Children, see next page. On the air we use helicopters and aeroplanes. An aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. When we travel the far, we use a bus, train, boat, ship, aeroplane. Most vehicles need some fuels to move. The most common used fuels for vehicles are petrol, diesel, coal, electricity and CNG. We should not waste fuel. Animals also used as means of transport. Elephants used in thick forest, in desert. Camels are used for means of transport. The camel is also known as ship of the desert. Yaks are also used for transportation in hilly areas. So children, your chapter is over. Next, see the exercise part. Number B. Take the right answer. Which is the fastest means of transport? Right here, aeroplane. 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 Number 2. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? That is camel. camel, camel. Number 3. Ship is the means of dash water transport. air water, transport, transport. Number C. Match the following. Bicycle, land transport. Ship, water transport. Aeroplane, air transport. Yak, hills. So children, today your class is over. Read and write this in your SST notebook neat and clean. So children, till then, take care. Bye-bye.